Hello guys, welcome to Code Extreme. Today we are going to do a amazing question, which is very easy actually, but it's tagged as medium. So it is 2 sum 2, in which we have a sorted array. So let's read this question. Given a one indexed array. So what is a one indexed array? So here I have written the definition of a one index array. So a one indexed array is an array in which indexing starts from 1 instead of 0. So every time when we iterate in our array, we start the indexing from 0, है ना? 0 1 2 3, but it is a one indexed array, so indexing starts from 1 instead of 0. So the indexing will be 1, the indexing will be 1 2 3 4 instead of 0 1 2 3. So I hope you understand what is one indexed array. Now, given a one indexed array of integers numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order, means that increasing order. So find two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. Okay, let these two numbers be numbers index 1 and numbers index 2, where this. So return the indices of the two numbers. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find two numbers in this one indexed array which add up to the target, and we have to return the indexes of the two numbers. So it is very easy actually by the help of two pointers. So I will explain you here. So we have our array 2 11 2 7 11 and 15. So I will copy paste this here. So indexing, I will do indexing regularly. Means in our languages like C++, Python, indexing is done from 0, but in this case only we have to do indexing from 1. So the difference, we will normally iterate our array. We will not focus on one index. We will normally, because we are writing our code in C++, so we will normally iterate in our array from 0. If I have to return these two indexes 1 and 2, then I will return actually 1 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. So it will behave like a one indexed array. But when iterating in our array, I will normally iterate it from 0, as we are writing our code in C++. So this is the case. Now two pointer approach, let's discuss about it. So one pointer, we will put one pointer in 0 and one pointer at last. So here I and here j. Okay, now as we have given that this array is sorted, numbers I is 2 and numbers j is 15. The sum of these two is 17, which is very greater than target. What is our target? Target is our 9, which is greater than our target. So we will decrement our j so that the sum decrease. If we increment the j, then the sum is increasing, and if we are decrementing our j, then the sum is decreasing. So what we will do is decrementing the j when our target is very greater. Okay, now what is our sum? Our sum is 13. Our sum is 13. So how we will proceed? Sum is greater than our target. Our sum is greater than our target, so we will decrement this again. Now what is our sum? Our sum is 9, which is equal to the target. So we have to return these two indices. So how we will return these two indices? In a form of a array or a vector. So I plus 1 and j plus 1, so that it becomes it behaves like a one indexed array. Okay, so this is the case. One more thing in this question is given that the tests are generated such that there is exactly one solution. We will found exactly one solution in each test case, so our solution will exist every time. Okay, let's write the code of this now. So it is a very easy problem. Int n equal to numbers dot size. This will find it will find the length of our array. Then we will put our one pointer in the zeroth index and one pointer at the n minus 1, means that end index. Now while our I is less than j, while our I is less than j, then only we will move further in the while loop, else we will break this. As, let's see here, if my I was this and j was this, for example, I am taking this as an example. So 2 plus 15, 2 plus 15 is 17, which is greater than target, so we will decrement this. Now 11 plus 2 is 13, and then we will get 7 plus 2, which is 9. So there will be no case in which we will in which our I and j will be same, as we have given that our answer will exist every time in our array. That's why I and j will be never will, I and j will never will be same. Okay, so let's do this. While I is less than j, what we have to do now, uh, while I is less than j, while I is less than j, if our numbers I plus numbers j is equal to the target, then we will return, what we will return, I plus 1, I plus 1 and j plus 1. So we will return this. Else if else if our numbers I plus numbers j is greater than target, sorry, number j is greater than target, then what will we, then what will we do is j minus minus and else I plus plus, simple, and then we will return. So our answer will complete in this while loop only, but we have to return something here, as this is a, as the return type of this function is vector int, so we have to return a vector here. Okay, so let's run this. If we will not do this, then we will get an error. Oh, there is a mistake. Okay, I have written number instead of numbers. So let's run this again. So this is going to be accepted. So let's submit this and it will submit. So the time complexity of this solution is O of n, big O of n, and the space complexity is O of 1. So if you understand this question, if you understood this question, so don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching.